ជុំរៀបសួរក៏ដូចជាស្ដីទៅកាន់អ្នកមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះបងដែរខ្ញុំបាទ Full Eye នៅខ្ញុំបាទមកសម្រាប់រឿង Chain Smoker Cat ដែលជាភាគទី2នៃភាពបន្តអ្នកគ្នាហើយសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលគាត់ទៅមកថ្មីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមិនទាន់មើលជាមួយនឹងភាពមុនទេអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាក៏អាចទៅមើលបានជាមួយនឹងភាពមុនដែលខ្ញុំបានសម្រាប់ដូចហើយដើម្បីចង់ដឹងអត្រាសេរីរឿងភាគទី2របស់យើងអត្រាវាល្អមើលទៅជាយ៉ាងណាអ្នកគ្នាតោះចូលទៅកាន់សេរីរឿងរបស់យើងតែមកទៅបាទ Let's goតែរឿងការភាពមុនបន្ទាប់ពីយ៉ានីកូយើងគាត់គឺថាបានទៅសពឃើញរឿងអាក្រក់ហើយចូលមកក៏ស្រាប់តែសេរឿងរបស់យើងក៏បានកាន់តែពេលភ្លឺយ៉ានីកូយើងមិនដឹងថាយប់មិញគាត់គឺថាដាច់យប់ដល់មកបានទេបានដល់ថ្នាក់ថាពេលភ្លឺហើយគេនៅតែដេកជាចឹងទៅស្របពេលណាក៏ស្រាប់តែមានបរិយមួយបានចេញមកដាស់តឿននាងអញ្ចឹងដែលសារតែបរិយហ្នឹងគឺបាននិយាយថាអូនស្រីយ៉ានីកូបើសិនជាឯងនៅតែបន្តជួបខ្ញុំទៀតឯងហ្នឹងនឹងធ្វើការខ្លាចយើងនឹងឈួតហើយដោយសារតែជាតិនេះក៏ទីនក្នុងខ្លួនរបស់នាងគឺថាពិតជាមានការកាល់ឡើងមែនទែនហើយបើយើងក៏លេចទៅមើលអូនយ៉ានីកូវិញម៉ែគេធ្វើចរិតដូចជាឆ្មាឃ្លានថៃអាំងនៅពីណាទីហើយធ្វើអាបរិយមនុស្សគេនឹងគឺពិតជាមានការភ័យមែនទែនបាទហើយស្របពេលដែលគេកំពុងតែធ្វើការនិយាយបដៅទៅលើអូនយ៉ានីកូវិញនឹងម៉ែយ៉ានីកូវិញនឹងគេមានទុកជីវិតឲ្យអាបរិយទេក៏បានចាប់ជាមួយអាបរិយនឹងឲ្យតែគេជក់ម៉ែសាហាវមែនទែនយ៉ានីកូវិញនឹងគេគឺពិតជាសាហាវព្រៃសាយមែនទែនបាទបឺតជាមួយអាកាប៉េគូតបរិយនឹងបឺតម៉ែដល់ជ្រួញបាត់ទៅឲ្យបាទហើយគេក៏បាននិយាយថាចុំអាបរិយនេះដូចជាមានរសជាតិអីចឹងអាសាបថាមិនទេអាបរិយមនុស្សវានឹងគឺថាខំអារម្មណ៍ទៅលើសមត្ថភាពអូនយ៉ានីកូចំណែកអាយ៉ានីកូវិញវិញនិយាយជាមួយនាងដូចទឹកលើក្បាលមាត់មិនទេគេខំប្រើប៉ុណ្ណឹងមានយកជាស្ដាប់ទេមានឌឺថែមត្រប់ពេលដែលយ៉ានីកូវិញនឹងគេកំពុងតែឆ្លោះគ្នាជាមួយប្រៃនោះក៏ស្រាប់តែលើកមុខជាមួយលោកតាមនុស្សគាត់ក៏បានមកគោះទ្វារតុកក៏បានបើកទ្វារចេញមកលេងឃើញអូនយ៉ានីកូយើងនោះម៉ែកំពុងតែនិយាយម្នាក់ឯងប្រមើលប្រមីឃើញណាឃើញណៃដើរដល់ប្រៃប្រខ្សែណាចង់ជីយន្តហោះចង់អីណាអើយជឿមកឥឡូវសេរឿងមួយយើងក៏បានកាត់មកខាងអូនស្រីម្នាក់ដែលនាងគឺថាមានសក់ពណ៌លឿងកំពុងតែធ្វើការឈើស្មុកបែកងាំងនៅមុខផ្ទះរបស់គេនឹងឈើស្មុកទៅឯងចឹងទៅមកក៏ស្រាប់តែជាមួយណាក្លិនប្រៃមនុស្សក៏បានភីទៅកាន់អូនស្រីយ៉ានីកូយើងនៅពេលដែលគេបានដឹងក្លិននេះហើយក៏បានធ្វើឲ្យគេក៏បានអើតមើលក៏បានឃើញនាងកំពុងតែធ្វើការស្មុកសូឡូអញ្ចឹងហើយអូនយ៉ានីកូយើងគេមិនបានចាំយូរទេគេក៏បាននិយាយថាបងអើយសុំម្ដងមកបងខ្ញុំដាច់យូរហើយបងសុំម្ដងមកបន្ទាប់ពីនឹងក៏បានហត់ជាមួយអាបរិយនោះឲ្យទៅកាន់យ៉ានីកូយើងក៏បានធ្វើយ៉ានីកូយើងគឺពិតជាមានអារម្មណ៍ថាសុបាយចិត្តតែមិនទេដោយសារតែគេក៏បានជក់តយយើងអញ្ចឹងបន្ទាប់ពីគេនោះបានដាក់បន្តិចម៉ែធ្វើឲ្យគេនោះសើប៊ុយធ្លាក់ភ្លើជាមួយណាប្រកាន់ឯនោះចរខាងក្រមអញ្ចឹងទៅត្រពេលហ្នឹងនាងក៏បាននិយាយថាអេជួយស្រួលអាហ្នឹងគេមិនជួយអញ្ចឹងទេគេជួយអញ្ចឹងបន្ទាប់ពីពួកគេទាំងពីរនាក់បាននិយាយត្រូវៗគ្នាហើយក៏បានធ្វើឲ្យពួកគេនឹងឈរ up in the sky ឌូពីរនាក់មិត្តភក្តិគេនឹងមិត្តភក្តិថ្មីពួកគេនឹងដែលនាងគឺមានឈ្មោះថា Kenma ខ្ញុំភ្លេចភក្តិឈ្មោះអ្នកគ្នាតួស្រីរបស់យើងថ្មីគេនឹងមានឈ្មោះថា Kenma ហើយអ្នកដែលកំពុងតែមើលហ្នឹងអត់មានធ្វើតាមតួស្រីរបស់យើងពីរនាក់ហ្នឹងណាគ្នាធ្វើតាមពួកគេទៅពីរនាក់អត់ល្អទេប៉ះពាល់ដល់ពវៀនអាចច្រឡំប៉ះពាល់ទៅដល់សួតធ្វើឲ្យសួតនោះមានបញ្ហាកើតមហារីកអញ្ចឹងទៅអានេះខ្ញុំនិយាយធ្វើតាមតាសាច់រឿងរបស់គេទេសាច់រឿងគេមកអញ្ចឹងដាក់អញ្ចឹងមកកណ្ដាលពេលណាក៏ស្រាប់តែសាច់រឿងរបស់យើងក៏បានកាត់ទៅពេលយប់បន្ទាប់ពីពួកគេហ្នឹងគឺថាបានចូលដេករៀងៗខ្លួនហើយក៏ស្រាប់តែយ៉ានីកូរបស់យើងហ្នឹងគេក៏បានកាន់กระดาษជាមួយណាខិតតបាននោះបាននិយាយថានៅពេលនេះនាងគឺថាបានឈប់ចាក់ថ្នាំជាមួយនឹងជំងឺការពារឆ្កែឆ្កួតហើយដោយសារតែនាងគឺជាឆ្មាអញ្ចឹងដើម្បីបង្ការខ្លួនរបស់គេកុំឲ្យឆ្កែខាំនេះឆ្កួតអញ្ចឹងទៅហើយនាងក៏បានយកដំណឹងមួយនេះទៅប្រាប់ទៅកាន់អូនខេនម៉ារបស់យើងដល់ទៅពេលដែលគេនោះបានបើកទ្វារមកមកលេងឃើញអូនខេនម៉ារបស់យើងនឹងគាត់ថាកំពុងតែចាក់ថ្នាំហើយនាងអស់ឈាមហើយអញ្ចឹងបន្ទាប់មកក៏ស្រាប់តែអូនយ៉ានីកូរបស់យើងគេក៏បានសួរថាតើនាងគឺកំពុងតែធ្វើអ្វីហ្នឹងស្របពេលដែរក៏ស្រាប់តែអូនខេនម៉ារបស់យើងគាត់ក៏បាននិយាយថានៅពេលនេះនាងគឺកំពុងតែធ្វើការចាក់ថ្នាំអញ្ចឹងទៅដើម្បីការពារជំងឺឆ្កែឆ្កួតដូចជានាងដែរហើយនៅពេលនោះផងដែរអូនយ៉ានីកូយើងគេក៏បាននិយាយថាអូសង្ស័យនេះសង្ស័យហើយខេនម៉ារបស់យើងគេក៏បានថាចុំសង្ស័យគេដោយសារតែការមុនមកគឺថាអូនខេនម៉ារបស់យើងហ្នឹងគាត់ហ្នឹងគឺធ្លាប់ប្រើប្រាស់ជាមួយនឹងគ្រឿងញៀនអញ្ចឹងទៅហើយនាងគឺថាបានផ្ដាច់ហើយបន្ថែមទៀតនោះខេនម៉ារបស់យើងគាត់ក៏បាននិយាយបន្ថែមថាគ្រឿងញៀនគឺវាមិនល្អទេគឺបំផ្លាញជីវិតរបស់នាងរហូតធ្លាក់ដល់សូន្យយ៉ានីកូរបស់យើងគេក៏បាននិយាយថាចុំមែនអីឈប់មែនអីហើយនៅពេលដែលគេហ្នឹងបានកលេចទៅលើតុនោះម៉ែលីមណាឃើញជាមួយនឹងវត្ថុបុរាណរបស់គេហ្នឹងច្រើនណាស់មែនទែនមានអំពីថ្នាំពេទ្យមកចូលចាក់ថ្នាំបុរាណស្អីគេខ្លះទេឡើងពេញតុហើយយ៉ានីកូរបស់យើងនិយាយខ្ញុំមកច្បាស់លាស់ប្រយ័ត្នខ្ញុំដើរជាមួយអាណាជក់ថ្នាំអីហើយបើយើងក្លែកទៅមើលអូនខេនម៉ារបស់យើងវិញនៅពេលដែលយ៉ានីកូរបស់យើងនិយាយបែបនេះហើយធ្វើឲ្យនាងគាត់តែពិបាកចិត្តបន្ថែមចិត្តហើយដោយសារតែគ្មានអាណាគេដែលនៅជឿជាក់មកលើនាងទៀតនោះទេពីព្រោះដោយសារតែនាងគឺថាខិតខំប្រឹងប្រែងផ្ដាច់ថ្នាំអញ្ចឹងបានដឹងច្បាស់ណាស់អាគ្រឿងញៀនហ្នឹងគឺថាបានបំផ្លាញជីវិតនាងឡើងអស់លីងហើយគ្មានសំបីតែមនុស្សម្នាក់ដែលនៅជុំវិញខ្លួនរបស់គេបើសិនជាយ៉ានីកូរបស់យើងនៅតែអត់ជឿលើនាងទៀតនាងគឺថាអស់មនុស្សដែលនៅជុំវិញខ្លួនរបស់គេហ្នឹងនិយាយភាសាគ្នាទៀតហើយយ៉ានីកូរបស់យើងហ្នឹងគាត់ក៏បាននិយាយថាអូយអូនខេនម៉ាហេតុអីក៏អូនហ្នឹងចូលតួសបាមែនបើបន្ទាប់ពីខេនម៉ាបានភ្លក់ជាមួយសម្ដីផ្អែមរបស់អូនស្រីយ៉ានីកូរបស់យើងហើយក៏បានធ្វើឲ្យខេនម៉ាយើងមានអារម្មណ៍ថាដូចជាសង្ស័យទៅលើយ៉ានីកូរបស់យើងអត់មិនទេដោយសារតែនាងនឹងនិយាយផ្អែមពេកគាត់ថាពេលគេនិយាយផ្អែមពេកហ្នឹងទៅសង្ស័យគេវិញហើយនាងបានចោទទៅលើយ៉ានីកូរបស់យើងថាតើយ៉ានីកូរបស់យើងមកពីអង្គភាពកំចាត់អ្នកជក់គ្រឿងញៀនមែនទេពេលនាងនិយាយចឹងទៅធ្វើឲ្យយ៉ានីកូយើងឌីយើងភាំងមិនទេលើមែននៅសុកមកចោទគេជាអង្គភាពប្រឆាំងគ្រឿងញៀនឯណាវិញជឿមកចាប់ធ្វើបាបអូនយ៉ានីកូរបស់យើងមកឲ្យ cao bạn hỏi bát lỡ xe riêng mà dưỡng cục ban canapé này ôn cha này câu chùm muối nó ôn khen ma mà dưỡng cụ phụ kiến cục ban nó kia đa tam plưจะใช้kiaเลยอย่างเต้ได้ใช้เอาปีจีบระบอกเกณฑ์สับไงนี่คือปัจจัยเราละให้มันเต้นสรุปไปได้พวกเกณฑ์ถึงปีนี้กับพวกเนี่ยดาตามเพลินนั่งกบบ้านปัจจัยในkia chùm muối như lục dây đại quán cứ chia nhẹ tu tiên bắt đây mà nè đại lục dây vào dưỡng cái thaปัจจัยcha mà đom từ lớpพวกเกณฑ์ถึงปีนี้ให้มันเต้นเอากบบ้านหาพวกเกณฑ์ถึงปีนี้เราไปทั่วเจียแต่จนเราบอกกัดพวกการtu tiên bắtได้อย่างตื้อก็กบบ้านนี้ท่าการtu tiên bắtได้เราบอกกัดนั่นคือปัจจัยชดให้มันเต้นมาเนี่ยทำแต่ปีปอนเจนได้ปะเนาะหอยแบบสังเกตพวกเกณฑ์นั่นcha mà đom chùm muốiนั่งการtu tiên bắtได้บอกกัดนั่งมาจอดทำไรเอาจนงุนมาเนี่ยต่อทำตายมาร้อยเย็นเต้จอดเข้าให้มันเต้นบ้านมันปีปอนเยอะแล้วเนี่ยต่อแต่มาร้อยเย็นจังตื้อยานิโก้กับบ้านนี้ท่าไปมวนม็อกกัดนั่นคือทำมาได้ชื่อแต่เลิกการtu tiên bắtได้บัดชื่อนี่ตีได้ทราบแต่เมียนการเลิกตัดจัดปีสำนักโอนแคนมาไปยืงกบบ้านเพื่อโอนจาริโก้ไปยืงกัดกับมีกับหลังจัดออลยีไปแล้วทุกการtu tiênจังตื้อลูกยีเราไปยืงกัดกับบ้านนี้ท่าฉับหอยได้เมาต่อปีหอยได้หมกนั่งแม่โอนจาริโก้ไปยืงกัดกับบ้านเลี้ยบัดได้นั่งกบบ้านเจ้าจมไห้คลันจมมวยหนาคลันปริมิโจนี่จมมวยในคลันตราในนิ้งบ้านกันนั่งบ้านเจ้าจมไห้นั่งกบบ้านที่จะรอจมมองแล้วบอลเกียวยืงกบบ้านเพื่อกัดนั่งปัจจุบันการแก่บ้านมันเต้นในซาแตมได้คืนเจ้าแต่จุดน้ำแม่บักได้มอสอุ้ยคลามันเต้นบ้านยีเราไปยืงกัดกับบ้านเก็ตขนมเจ้าท่าคอมไตยานิโก้ไปยืงพวกเกนั่นคือเจ้าแต่จนตีมือเราบอกกัดเต้คอมไอ้คือกัดนั่นมันตีเอาเต้ในซาตาเจ้าคลันทำมันเต้นบ้านยีเราไปยืงกัดกับบ้านตูเตี้ยเคยท่านี้นั่นคือเจียมนุ่มเนี่ยด่าโจจัดจูบไรเอาไอ้กับบ้านทัวร์ไอเนี่ยแต่บอลนี้คือปัจเจชื่อกับบ้านจมูกนิ้งคลามันเต้นสับไทยนี่เนี้ยคือเนื้อครอบผัดมันกระจามวยด่าปัจเจเราคลามันเต้นเนี้ยโกนบ้านเราลอยมาใจได้หอยครองระยะเปย์จำนวนปรามชามเตี้ยเนี้ยมันกัดมาเรียบจังตื้อหอยเราไปได้ยาในโกไปยืนคืนจมูกลอยไปยืนตีเถอะปีจังเลยกับบ้านเพื่อนเนี้ยมีร้อนทับจมตีเถอะไม่อันจริงว่ามันเต้นได้ไปได้ลอยไปยืนตีตรองเป๊ะไม่ยาในโกไปยืนกับบ้านข้างลอยไปยืนบัดหอยบ้านผมร้องทั่วกาหอยไว้จะเลยลอยไปยืนหอยกันนะไปได้ก่อสับตายโอนกันมาไปยืนกวาดกับบ้านตูเตอร์ควอดแต่เลิกยาในโกไปยืนกับมาเนี้ยเช้ากับบ้านโดดไปมันดำงดตัวโจขนมมอดบอลเนี้ยเอาเนี้ยจูบไปนำไปทั่วกาลงกับเช่นจังเลยหอยเนี้ยกับบ้านยัยตะกันยาในโกไปยืนทางเวียนกรอนจีกาตูเต้ก่อนชื่อไอ้แบบสารไปบอลไปยืนเนี้ยเนื้อรู้ท้ายเป็นตัวงบแต่นานแล้วโดนเป็นโอนแคนมาไปยืนทั่วกาตูตีมาด้วยไปได้ลงยัยไปยืนกอดกับบ้านตูเต้นั่งกอดกับบ้านยัยท่าโอนแคนมาไปยืนนั่งเนี้ยคือเชื่อมหนุ่มเนี่ยได้ทอปปลาคือเงียนตายมันเต้แคนมาไปยืนก็ไปท่าออดเตี้ยเตี้ยบ้านปลาตีหอยลงยัยไปยืนได้ตามตัวยัยเจ็ดแคนมาไปยืนนั่งเนี้ยคือเชื่อมหนุ่มเนี่ยได้ทอปปลาของเปลือกคตกรรมตายมันเต้แคนมาได้แต่บรรทอนยัยท่าออดบ้าประเต้ลงยัยไอ้เชี่ยตีเต้ได้มือตะมุกย้ำเต้พยงหมดได้ตีตรองไปเหรอยัยไปยืนลงไปได้ตัวแต่การแคนมาท่าออดหดเต้กอดกับบ้านท่าเลยชุบเตี้ยเอาจะลอยเมามันแหนมร้อยเย็นหอยไปได้พวกไอ้nó bán độ chùm môi này lôi chùm nuôi một rồi dưới nó độ chính máu mai miền lôi tiền là sao tạm mán cả nâng hay bray mặt đám nâng trăm ca tiết của bạn đạo mười rụt bật hỏi ba trong mốt của sắp tay xe rêu mà dưới của bạn cắt mà ngày thứ mấy đại viên nâng cư chỉ ngày đại ôn cha này câu vào dưới chùm môi nâng ôn khen má nâng bộ cái gặp ba nó đi làm lên từ bộ tiền là bộ kia nâng làm mà thua cao chụp bray mưa cay tiết hỏi ba giờ này câu vào dưới qua gặp bạn biêm bray ở chỗ muôn là về đá con cái thang vai đâu chùm môi để cái nằm bấy thua cao ở trên tư hỏi ôn khen má vào dưới nâng quán cái chưa bao ôn lỗ rồi chẳng á của bạn đồ để kèm mót thua cao ở sơ chỗ bò bộ kia chẳng tưดาวมือเตอร์ไหลนี่คือปัจจุบันลอยมันเต้นแต่คำจงลอยเดือดพวกไอ้ล้อที่นั่นเนี่ยว้าลิมันนักก็สลับตายเซรุ่มไปเยอะกับบ้านกัดมาข้างโอนเซรุ่มเนี่ยคือปัจจุบันแล้วมันเต้นเนี่ยคือทางของปองใจสำลังมือพวกเกนั่งได้ไอ้เนี่ยบางท่านี้คือจืดเนี่ยเรียนเนี่ยสักสายจังนะเอาไปเด็กเกย์คืนท่าพวกโอนปีเนี่ยนี่กับบ้านเพื่อก้าวจูบไรเลยโบเต้เต้กับบ้านถวยเกย์คือปัจจุบันก้าวจะมามันเต้นมาตามันเต้นบ้านลิมันนักก็สลับตายเซรุ่มไปเยอะกับบ้านกัดจอบถนนเส้นเอาไปจนนี่แหละตาโอนใส่แต่กับปองใจถวยก้าวเชิญมือพวกเกย์นั่งตาเนี่ยนั่งโตแต่โมเตี้ยนมีอะไรไว้จะโตอยู่บนน้องพวกเกย์ปีเนี่ยนี่มีจำมือพี่โคติขยมปัจเจออกคนเนี่ยออกให้ใครมันเต้นประตูเปียเพียมัวนึกคือทำมีเนี่ยไล่มาไล่โยมันตื่นจนเต้เถอะยมมีกำลังชัดตัววิดีโอตัวเตียนจังเลยโอ้ยซาแต่วิดีโอบุญในที่จริงนี่คือทางยมจุดไหนไปเรียกเธอมาหลังจัดประมวยเปิมมองโอ้ยอย่างจอกจะแก่เอาในมือเรื่องมือเจ้าเลยเชื่อมั้งเดี๋ยวไปยมเธอเต้เอามีไหนมือจังเต้เอามีกำลังจัดเธอเตียนแล้วเสร็จเรื่องมันนี่ยมซ้อมจอกทางนั้นสันเต้เลยซายมยัยเชิญมันเต้มาจอกใบแบบปูมอได้แล้วปีนั้นนี่ฟังได้ขยมบาสฟูใหญ่หน่อยขยมบาสซูมจุดเรียบายงะ